early morning wake up because I want to make some beautiful reel about the workout. The doggos already followed me, and you have to watch the reel because I have some message for you, which is a reality about tour. It's 9th of April 2026. So this is the time, not even 5:30. Wake up early is a bliss. And when I'm at home, I cannot wake up, but here I can, and I'm just going out. I always love the nature, and yes, to make this kind of reel as due to back-to-back hike, my body was stiff enough, so I couldn't do it in one take. You will see a beautiful reel because when I saw the movie Tal, I always wanted to music the early morning yoga music you can remember in a video. So after a long time, I got this opportunity. So you will see a reel over there, but it need 2 to 3 takes because it was raining and the it was slippery. That's why I have to be very careful, and I was wearing the shoes. So stay tuned. Morning bliss, it has own beauty. So right now it's 5:40 5 a.m. and here I am. That is in Eden. Yes, it's cold, a bit cold, not much cold. So I'm just going around. It's 9th of April 2026, and last day, not last day, I'm leaving by 10 a.m. Karma uncle will come, and then I will have the pickup. So my train at NGP around what I can say, it's 3 p.m. Tista Tosha, and tomorrow morning um, it will reach to Shialda if it's right time. It will reach to Shialda within 3:35 a.m. So my father will come for the pickup, and they literally they are very anxious that when I'll go back to home, worried. This is the first time I'm traveling through train, and that is alone. So these are my favorite doggos. They're staying at Eden. If you are coming, and they're very well behaved, they don't bite nothing. They're very playful rather. So let's see how it's going on. Everything was good. So in a positive note, I'm ending my first ever solo tour. So if you ask me, encourage for the solo or not, it depends on you only. If you're comfortable enough, and obviously every time I will tell you that financially you have to be strong, and I won't say that share car is bad, but again you have to wait for the share car until unless the car is full. Otherwise you cannot, the share car won't start. So it's up to you. And if you are hiring cab, the reserve cab, and always book, don't think anytime if it's season or off season. It's better talk to the owner directly, the hotel homestay. If you're staying, I'm not staying in that homestay kind of thing. So talk to the owner, and after that you decide what you have to do. Talk to them properly, and obviously reserve the car. It will be better for you, no hectic, because once you reach in train station or in airport, the cab is waiting for you. Mainly, yes, for the solo it will cost. For the cab fare will be more, and even sharing room, if it's hotel, for the sharing room it will be more. That's why I will suggest you, better if you have at least one friend or companion or whoever can join for adventure sports or travel, it will be better for you. For me, it's unpredictable. If you're asking me that in future I will do the solo travel or not, so this Darjeeling and this area, it's known to me. I know these places, and driver uncles are there. um, that's why maybe or may not be, I don't know. It depends that I will go for that or not. And for the car I will choose that reserve car, not the share one, because I am not feeling comfortable. And whatever in the reserve car, if I want to say I want to stop over here, I want to, like, first day when I saw that Shebokeshwari Mandir, Kali Mandir, I said, uncle, can I go there? He said, sure, sure. So in share car they won't charge for that. and for reserve car. And if you're coming through share car, if you see that you cannot stop, it's depend on the driver and the passengers where they will drop. So um, there are things, if you're coming through share car, then you have to compromise with this thing. And if you're coming through reserve car, so it will be in your hand where to stop, where to start. Even if you want to cancel, and previously when my mother was sick, we cancelled 2 places that we are not going. So and in share car you cannot, I'm talking about these places, I'm not talking about other, because I don't have any experience with other places. But one thing is common, if you're taking share cab or anything, there will be like pick up point, drop point. So maybe you, with the luggage you have to walk, that is very common, whatever state it is. So that will be common, that you have to walk a lot and all. But in the reserve car, the car will go to the doorstep of the hotel if it's the road is like that. So about the road, you always ask them for the picture. So when you are going for an offbeat, ask for the picture that the car goes to the doorstep or not. Otherwise, you know, this pahadi rasta, it is not easy to drag your trolley or suitcase. My suitcase is very heavy because it is really very old one. It is in a very good condition, but it's old one, that's why it is heavy. So going back, I will buy a trolley, soft trolley, and I'm comfortable with the soft trolley suitcase. So I'll go and I'll buy one. So that was my solo tour. And right now, bole na mon chute geche. Now I also wanted to talk to my parents, and yes, connectivity. And that day I said that don't influencers, about the influencers, I told them don't look for the network. If you're going for a remote area, right now I'm not doing live. In Eden, the Wi-Fi is very strong when you are in inside or a little bit far, I mean in the diameter. But here you won't get any Wi-Fi. I'm okay with that. Phone network is okay. Type Airtel and Jio, both is working fine. When I went to the Pala river, there was no network in Jio or Airtel. So you have to make up your mind. And when I came back at the hotel, I know my parents are worried. My mother, she said she has back pain. I said because you know, you are worried for me, that's why you have the back pain. So jokes apart, I was connected with my, I know she was missing me. My father, he won't show that he's missing me, but I know that he will ask everything to my mom. But once I go back, we will fight like cat and dog. This is the family thing, the family bonding. If it's like very good, no scolding, nothing, no fight, sorry to say, then it's not a very good bonding. A good bonding is like you have to fight. কি যেন বলে, সংসারে একসঙ্গে থাকলে ঘুটি বাটি ঠোকাঠুকি লাগে, something like that. So I'm happy. And as I said that I am comfortable with the known place, so that I can talk to I meet uncle, the owner uncle. I met him 2 times, and was there with auntie. First time I saw her, she is also a very nice person, so I had a chit chat with her. They are guiding me. So this is how, that's why I'm comfortable with the places I know. Otherwise maybe I don't go. So and for the pilot, driver, everybody, they are talking with me. It's a good bonding. So I am paying them, it doesn't mean that I am the superior. It's a two-way conversation. Ask them or don't. What I don't, I'm a very introvert person basically. You won't believe it, but yes, I am introvert person. But if I get a person they can talk, even in train also, I really had chit chat with them. So it depends. If I can gel up with the person, I will talk. And কিছু কিছু জিনিস কি হয় যে we talk to the person in train or wherever, maybe the journey ends over there, or maybe the journey will continue. So I'm not talking about girlfriend boyfriend thing, okay? And yes, one more thing about this tour. This tour showed me a lot of things. Like, people know me, that person, this Madhurima can do adventure and all, but this level they don't know. And what I am not very surprised, few people blocked me. I don't know what is the reason. Few people unfriend me, few people go away from my WhatsApp group. After WhatsApp group, I have that Madhurima's kitchen and Maddie B. I keep posting about food and candle, but whenever I'm for the vacation, because there are aged people, they cannot watch it. I mean, go out, so they enjoy that uh, the thing. Once I will go back, then I will share the YouTube video, because it will take time. I don't do edit, but upload that and stitching them, it will take time. So that's why they enjoy that moment. I have my sir in that group when I was in college. I'm not a college student, though I look like. I'm not using any collagen or nothing. This is genetic, you know. So those people, like they are married, somebody has kid and everything. They are going out with friends. They did international tour also. I'm not talking about girl only. There are 2-3 guys also. So some of them stopped talking with me. One said ke সত্যি কি তুমি গেছো সোলোতে, then who is taking your picture? Are bhai, there was a time I used to be a fashion photographer, so I have got award for my photography, not the fashion photography, but nature and that photography. I got many awards, so I have little bit of idea. And yes, another thing, that I seriously don't have any gear, because I have back problem. That's why last year, before I am coming to Darjeeling, I sold my Nikon P900 because it is very heavy. I cannot hold it. So right now I don't have any camera either. So everything is I'm doing in through mobile. So that is the thing. I have that concept and I have the idea. So the clear picture I have, and I think already you have seen that I will upload. I don't know when I will upload what, but I am mentioning the date. So the pictures I'm clicking, it is through mobile and with the safety. So I don't go to the places that where the safety I have to compromise. That I don't do. So that's all for this tour, Kalimpong tour. It started in a bad way. Starting was bad. There were so many obstacles, but finally I did it. Obviously my parents worried, but they supported me. Otherwise, why I will do? I never fight with them that chalo ami badi theke chole jabo. No, you cannot do that. Yes, little bit of thing like the paragliding I hide from them. So once I will go back, I will handle that. I don't know if the scolding is there, but yes, I'm not going to do again. Na ami eta bolbo na. Whenever I said no, it will be a yes. So let's see what is in my future. I enjoyed a lot. And one person told me in
What I have been told, for that you have to watch next video.